Ever wondered how your favorite vodka is made? I'm talking about the clear, crisp spirit that's as versatile as a Swiss Army knife. Well, just like any good recipe, it all starts with the ingredients. And today, we're diving deep into the world of vodka, taking you on a journey from grain to glass. We'll unlock the mysteries behind its simple complexity, exploring the science and the art that transform humble grains into a spirit celebrated around the world. So buckle up, folks, because we're about to embark on a fascinating adventure that's sure to make you appreciate that next sip even more. Let's dive in. Vodka, unlike its whiskey cousins, doesn't discriminate when it comes to its base material. While rye, wheat, and even corn can be used, it's often the humble potato that takes center stage. These starchy spuds, often overlooked in the culinary world, possess the very building blocks needed to create vodka's neutral spirit. Think of these starches as locked treasure chests full of sugar, the real fuel for our vodka-making engine. Our job is to pick the lock, and we do that by breaking down those complex starches into simpler sugars that yeast, our microscopic friends, can easily digest. Whether it's the earthy notes of potatoes or the subtle sweetness of grain, the choice of raw material will ultimately influence the final character of our vodka, adding subtle nuances to its flavor profile. With our starches chosen, it's time to unlock those sugars. This is where the magic of mashing and cooking comes in. Imagine a giant, carefully controlled pressure cooker where our grains or potatoes take a hot bath. This process not only softens them up, but also begins to break down those complex starches into simpler sugars. We're essentially creating a feast for our microscopic friends, the yeast, who thrive on sugar. But just like any good chef, we need to make sure the temperature is just right. Too hot and we risk scorching our mash. Too cool and those starches won't release their sugary treasures. This delicate dance of time and temperature is crucial in ensuring a successful fermentation, the very heart of vodka production. Now, things start to get lively. With our sugary mash prepped, it's time to introduce the stars of the show, the yeast. These microscopic workhorses are the unsung heroes of the fermentation process, transforming simple sugars into alcohol. Think of the fermentation tank as a massive dance floor where the yeast throws a party, consuming sugar and releasing alcohol and carbon dioxide as byproducts. This process, while seemingly simple, is a carefully orchestrated symphony of biology and chemistry. We need to maintain the perfect temperature, ensuring our yeast friends are happy and productive. Too cold and they'll slow down. Too hot and well, let's just say they won't be making vodka anymore. Our fermented mash, now a low-alcohol beer-like liquid, needs a bit of refinement. Enter the still, a magnificent copper contraption that looks like it belongs in a steampunk novel. This is where we separate the wheat from the chaff, or more accurately, the alcohol from the water and other impurities. Using the power of heat and precise temperature control, we boil our fermented mash, capturing the alcohol vapors as they rise. These vapors are then cooled and condensed back into a liquid, now significantly more potent than before. This process of distillation is repeated multiple times, each cycle further purifying our vodka, stripping away any unwanted flavors or aromas, leaving us with a spirit that's clean, crisp, and ready for the final touches. We're in the home stretch. Our distilled vodka, now a high-proof spirit, needs a bit of polishing before it's ready for the spotlight. This is where filtration comes in, a process that removes any remaining impurities, ensuring our vodka is crystal clear and smooth as silk. Think of it like passing our vodka through a fine mesh sieve, trapping any unwanted particles and leaving behind a spirit that's as pure as can be. Finally, we dilute our vodka to its desired bottling strength, achieving that perfect balance of flavor and potency. From there, it's bottled, labeled, and ready to be enjoyed in countless ways, from classic cocktails to sipping neat. And there you have it, the incredible journey of vodka from humble grains to the bottle in your hand. We've witnessed the transformation from starchy spuds to a spirit that's celebrated for its purity and versatility. The next time you raise a glass of vodka, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship, the science, and the artistry that went into creating this remarkable spirit. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest for the perfect drink. Cheers to that! If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.